Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 7 is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. I myself, Repti Raman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Students, today I shall solve exercise 12B objective questions of chapter 12 simple interest. One question is written here. Question number 1. The simple interest on rupees 6,250 and 4% per annum for 6 months. Here we have to find simple interest. So write P equal to rupees 6,250. R equal to 4% per annum. T equal to 6 months. 6 months change into year. So 6 divided by 12. Months divided by 12 change into year. 6 to the 12. So 1 by 2 year. Now find SI equal to. Therefore, SI equal to formula is P into R into T by P into R into T by 100 equal to P is rupees 6,250 into R 4%, 4 into T 1 by 2. Now divided by 100, so multiply 100. 1 0 to 1 0 cancel. 2 to the 4. 2 to the 4. 2 5 the 10. And 625 divided by 5, so 125 equal to rupees 125 is the simple interest. Answer of this question. Understand and write. Students, next question is question number 3. At simple interest, a sum becomes 6 by 5 of itself in 2 or 1 by 2 years. The rate of interest per annum is. In this question we have to find rate R. So let P equal to rupees X. So A equal to sum becomes 6 by 5 of itself. So rupees 6x by 5 in 2 or 1 by 2 years. T equal to 2 whole 1 by 2 years equal to 2 to the 4 plus 1 5 by 2 years. Now find SI equal to A minus P. A equal to rupees 6x by 5 minus rupees X. So take an LCM. 5 and 1 is 5. So 6x minus 5. Rupees 6x minus 5x equal to X. X by 5. It is SI. So now find R equal to. Therefore R equal to ASI into 100 by P into T equal to XI rupees X by 5. So X by 5 into 100 by P, principal is rupees X into T is 5 by 2. So into 5 and 2 multiply by numerator. Now cancel it. 5 times 25 the 100 and 5 4 the 20 equal to 4 to the 8% per annum answer. Understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 4. In what time will rupees 8,000 amount to rupees 8,360 at 6% per annum simple interest is? So here given P equal to rupees 8,000, A equal to rupees 8,360 and R equal to 6% per annum. In this question we have to find time. In what time? So first of all find SI. Simple interest equal to A minus P equal to rupees 8,360 minus rupees 8,000 equal to rupees 360. Students, now find to T equal to formula SI into 100, SI into 100 by P into R equal to SI is 360 into 100 by P into R. P rupees 8,000. Rupees 8,000 into R. R is 6%. 1 0 1 0 second 0 second 0 1 0 1 0. Now 6 6 ja 36. 3 2 ja 6 and 4 2 ja 8 equal to 3 by 4 years. Years change into month. So 3 by 4 year is multiplied by 12. Year multiplied by 12 then change into months. So 4 3 ja 12 equal to 3 3 ja 9 months. Answer. Understand and write it. Students, next and today's last question is question number 6. The simple interest at X% per annum for X years will rupees X on a sum of. In this question we have to find sum principal and given R equal to X% per annum for X year, that means T equal to X years will be X SI equal to rupees X. So P equal to SI into 100, P equal to SI into 100 by R into T equal to SI rupees X into 100 R into T. R is rupees, R is X%, X into X. X to X cancel equal to rupees 100 by X. Answer. Students, today your homework is solve exercise 12B question number 1 to 6. Thank you. That's all.